One. Today we're taking a look at the paddleball little paddles. Okay, right away we see the nice little display in here. They do give you more elastic tape for wrapping your handle. So this is the paddle. It's definitely got a heavier weight in the front. So of course you take the plastic off here. So there's this plastic one here that you can peel off. Just make sure you don't damage the wrap. But yeah, nice paddle. 16mm. With the being heavier weight, so it's heavier, I would say, like, especially like right in here, it's going to give you the option of swinging. And as you draw your hand, you're going to be able to hit the ball with some good force. It's definitely a power handle and a power paddle for sure.